मैं यहाँ लैम्प लाइट करके फ़िकी का फ्रेम्स 2006 इनाग्रेट करने आई हूँ। मुझे ये मेरी खुशनसीबी है कि इतने इम्पॉर्टेंट कन्वेंशन के लिए मुझे चुना गया टू इनाग्रेट। आई रियली फील वेरी स्पेशल एंड ऑनर्ड। या इसीलिए आई हूँ मैं यहाँ। एंड दिस इज़ I was very happy because Fiki is, like we all know, they've been doing great work, especially with regard to frames. It's a very important platform. It's a meeting point for everyone from the entertainment industry in also making it a more global entity. So it's very interesting to see how people from very divergent worlds just come and converge here, and how the issues are more or less the same and how they're being addressed at a convention like this. And the solutions have always been very viable, and I think right from getting the film industry, the industry status, to various other things that they have worked on. They've done great work, or considering I'm part of that industry, it's nice to know that there is someone, there is an organization that will, work towards which will safeguard your interests also. बहुत अच्छा लगा। अपनी पहली ही फिल्म के लिए मुझे काफ़ी सारे अवार्ड्स मिले हैं. That's a huge form of encouragement for me. The industry, whether they be filmmakers and even the media, the critics, everyone has been very kind, and I'm very overwhelmed. और ये तो शुरुआत है. मेरे ख्याल से आगे अच्छा काम करने का मौका मिलेगा. कुछ फिल्मों पे मैं ऑलरेडी काम कर रही हूँ. इंशाल्लाह अगले साल भी एटलीस्ट नॉमिनेशंस तो मिलने चाहिए. इंडियन स्टाइल. हाँ. I just like wearing clothes that I'm comfortable in. And I think there is no, one is not trying to make an effort to make a style statement or to be different or anything. I'm just too comfortable in my skin, and I'm too stubborn, and मैं वो change करने के लिए तैयार नहीं हूँ. Yeah, thank you.
You've got a very sweet face. What's your name? Sachi.
Yeah.